Well, here we are spraying all this stuff out.
As Joaquin sprays, I'll get the water hose ready to rinse out that bottom part. Make sure you wear gloves when handling this. As you clearly see, I am not. This stuff really burns. Sure there's no holes on the other side.
Look at the foam up. That's how you know it's working. I really like this coil cleaner, but I wouldn't use it in the inside part. I was just only using the outdoor coil cleaner. Just on the condensers.
Now we're gonna let it sit for a good 5 minutes. Meanwhile, go ahead and start checking out all of our electrical capacitors, flame sensors, all that good stuff.
Oh yeah, look at that. I don't think I ever seen a unit this bad. Can you vend it, Joaquin? That way? Can you vend it? Vend it over here. Vend the other way. Oh yeah. There you go. See, we have to clean all that. The burners, the flame sensor. Wow. Very, very dirty.